is delicious. So in today's video I'm gonna be cooking Omi Obe and okro, which is stew and okro. It's not just your regular stew. This one you don't fry it like stew. You don't fry the tomatoes. This one you put oil. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to prepare your Omi Obe and okro. So guys, if you want to know how to prepare it, keep watching this video. And pardon my hair, I'm in the kitchen, so I'm about to start cooking and I want to chill and I want to share with you guys the process and the procedure of how to cook Omi Obe and okro, or you can call it stew and okro. Let's get to the video.
So guys, this is my chevron, which is goat's meat, and my tomatoes and pepper. Guys, you don't grind onions to your tomatoes and pepper for this Omi Obe soup. You just grind only tomatoes and pepper for the soup. So this is my meat. I'm about to cook it now. I finished seasoning it. Now my meat is all cooked. It's ready. Then I'm going to put my meat aside and turn my tomatoes in the pot. Mind you guys, you are not adding groundnut oil. You just like as if you are parboiling it. You allow it to boil. Then you add your oil. Shake your oil well, very well, before adding it. After adding your oil, you cover it and allow it to boil for like few minutes again. Then you stir. Now I'm just adding my meat stock to it. Mind you guys, I've not put any seasoning yet. You allow it to still boil, then you cover it. Now I'm just adding my goat's meat to it. Now I'm just putting in my seasoning to be tasty, my salt and my seasoning tube. Then you stir and cover it. Allow it to boil well, and when it's thick, you know your soup is ready. And you cover it. So guys, I'm just twisting my okra. Mind you, some people do use ewedu, but me, I'm using okra. It depends on your choice. You can use okra, you can use ewedu. So I'm about to grate my okra. Okra is really not that difficult to make. It's really easy to make. It's not really difficult like that. So now my okra is ready. You put a little water in a pot, allow it to boil. Then you add crayfish. Some people do put seasoning, depend on your reference. But me, I don't add seasoning to it. I just put crayfish and my okra. I'm set. Then you stir your okra very well to remove any lumps. And you allow it to boil for like few minutes. Now my okra is cooked. So guys, your soup is ready. So guys, your Omi Obe soup is well served with gari, pounded yam or semo. Now guys, my soup is ready. You add your Omi Obe and your okra, the soup is ready. Thank you guys for watching. If you love the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and see you guys on my next one. Bye.